I don't know what is real, I can't touch what I feel, and I hide behind the shield of my illusion. So I continue to pretend my life will never end, and flowers never bend with the rainfall. The mirror on my wall casts an image dark and small, but I'm not sure at all it's my reflection. I'm blinded by the light, I've got truth and right, and I wander through the night without direction. So I continue to pretend my life will never end, and flowers never bend with the rainfall. No matter if you're born to play the king or a pawn, for the line is thinly drawn between joy and sorrow. So my fantasy becomes reality, and I must be what I must be and face tomorrow. So I continue to pretend my life will never end, and flowers